Hey, what's up guys? Quick update on a couple things. Number one, I'm going to be doing another video on a more detailed how to set the bed height or how to set the printer height for the Kossel. I didn't really explain it at all really in the last video that I put up, so I'm going to be doing another one of those, a more detailed version of just setting the bed height, and then I'll do another video about slicers and stuff like that. But that being said, that's going to be probably next week or, in the next couple days. But that being said, I just 3D printed something. I'll show you this right here. So this was, I don't even remember what it is. But anyway, it looks pretty good. It's actually threaded. But that being said, the threading is, there's a lot of slop in the actual model itself. And I think the printer is to blame. So let me show you this. If you look at, here's the whole assembly for the end of the printer. If you actually look at it and grab it, and if you look, let me see if I can do this. There's a very slight amount of play in it. It's left and right and up and down. And I think these tie rod ends are to blame. If you look at them, there's ever so slight amount of play in them. Of course, this is normal, but if you go up and down with them, you can feel a little bit of play with them. So I think this is contributing to the slop in the prints, which if you're doing really tight tolerances is not a very good thing. So anyway, I know that I'm normally the expert, quote unquote, on these kind of printers, but I'm wondering, has anyone out there come up with a solution to combat this at all with either the Folger Tech kit or even another kind of kit, Delta style printer obviously. I know there's the one style with the ball bearing. I'll see if I can put a link in the description to a couple of videos I've seen with that design. But I was wondering if there's any way that we could just modify what we have already and make that better, just to avoid that slop, because this was like a 3.5 hour print or something like that, and it's basically useless because of that ever so slight amount of tolerances. Everything else, it looks amazing, but just that little bit of variance that it can have as it's hitting corners and things like that, just is kind of ruining prints. Of course, most things I print usually they don't have to be all that perfect, especially if it's just models or small things like the spool holder, stuff like that. But for tight tolerance items like that, you really need to be dead on, and not able to do that right now. So it's not a calibration issue. The calibration is absolutely perfect size-wise and everything else. But that's something I'm working on. If I come up with a design or something like that, or someone gives me some input, I'll make another video about it, and hopefully that'll help you guys out who are also battling this issue. If you're not battling this issue at all, let me know. I'm just trying to see if I can get any input from you guys or anyone else who might watch this about this kind of issue. So anyway, expect more videos. I know this was just a quick, video, but I just woke up from a nap and, well, I was like, I want to try to fix this. So anyway, thanks anyone for their input, and thanks for you guys watching the video, and until the next video, I'll see y'all later.